Actually, we have a whole solution like software, developing the software. Like we can't communicate with our engineers or technicians or the customers. So
If you look closely at these pie charts, you'll see how the recent strategic adjustments have positively impacted our market share.
I got �elevatorplus from Google when I searched for lifts and lifts. Google showed me out �elevatorplus. Then I spoke to Mr. �𝗏𝗵, and he was very kind to us to introduce us �elevatorplus. And since then, we got on very well. I had a notes ratio on our operations. I explained our issues, and he was very knowledgeable on the lift software. He worked on very good software, and he developed a better doing software for our industry, and especially for our Indian operations and our UK operations. He developed software which is we're working almost 6 months now. We are quite satisfied with their software. Thanks to Mr. �𝗏𝗵 for his effort and his team's effort. Hopefully we'll grow from here onwards and make a good business. Thank you, �𝗏𝗵. Thanks for your cooperation and thanks for your support and your business with us. Thank you.